Hey there, it's Andrea from Doing Business as Yourself, and I wanted to show you what it means to have a redirect link that's branded to you basically and goes to an affiliate offer, a coded affiliate tracking link. So I can use this page that I'm working on right now as an example. I have this page. It's a shared funnel, shared. It's not a funnel exactly. It's just a page that it's like a resource page that has a bunch of different affiliate links on it. So I'm customizing it to me. So it's given to me by somebody that I learned from, Rachel Lee, and I can actually pass it to you if you want it also. Just let me know, or possibly there's a link on this page to get your own copy. But anyway, what I wanted to show you is that instead of like there's so many different layers of possibility as far as branding and coding and tracking links, and the very most basic one. So I have a list here of different affiliate links of mine, and the one that I'm wanting to put into this page right this minute, to customize it to me so that it's me and not Rachel's link, my link and not Rachel's link. Um, and if you have this page, then you would also replace this link of mine with your link of yours. But so these are the raw straight affiliate links, right? And what I want to do is uh, I want there's another layer. I could go into ClickMagick, which is a tracking tool, and that's like another. I would have somebody else come in and do that for me. But what I'm it because it just becomes like over convoluted if you're trying to multi-link one single link. What I do want to do though is have the option, should ClickFunnels ever change their affiliate link format, I don't want to have to go back everywhere I've put a ClickFunnels trial link and change that link out. So what I do is this is on a WordPress installation. So this is the back end of a WordPress site. It's in this case it's prosperitytrip.com. I don't have a thing on the page at the moment. I might end up putting something there, but I don't have anything there at the moment. I just use it for my redirect links in this case. So I added something called a plugin. So I went to plugin, add new. I found the one called Pretty Link. It's Pretty Space Link, and it's the light version. It doesn't have to be the paid version. And I put my affiliate link in here. So I've pasted it in here, and I name it something. So when I have the link is completed, when somebody goes to prosperitytrip.com/CF for ClickFunnels trial, CF trial, I could call it anything. I could call it, pickles. I could say whatever I wanted to say here. I tend to put things so that I can remember them without having to go look it up in this list again. So um, I might even just put ClickFunnels because I would always take somebody to the trial. So I'll just put CF for ClickFunnels. And here I could put ClickFunnels trial link. And that just becomes a reference on the list of links that I'm making here, so that I know what it is, what it leads to. And then I click create. I don't mess with any of this other stuff. I just click create. And what it does is it makes this prosperitytrip.com/ClickFunnels or CF. If I click here, it'll copy to the clipboard. And you'll see that if I go to that link now, it redirects from my Prosperity Trip domain, which is what people will see when they're, I could give somebody this link, and what it'll do is it'll take, instead of that long crazy one, and it'll take people to that link. So it's basically just sort of masking the long ugly. That's why they call it Pretty Link, the long ugly affiliate link. So what I'm wanting to do is take those affiliate links. So I'm making pretty links. What I'm doing right now in this project. So I'm making this page customized, and what happens, what's going on here is Rachel made this whole page of different kinds of. It's mostly ClickFunnels related products. So they have a lot of different products that you can put in here, and those are down below here. Funnel scripts and different things. And what I'm going to do is replace all of her links with my links. So so I just go here into ClickFunnels. I'm in the tool itself, and where it says set action on this, in this case. And so she had done the same thing, rachelslee.com/ClickFunnels. I'm just going to replace my link with her link. And when I click off of it and then save it, it will save it to my link. And I'm just going to go through this whole page and make pretty links. And the reason, so there's two reasons for pretty links. Pretty links are super nice for the end user. So it brands it to you, and it also makes it easier, easier to use in general for both you and your clicker. And let's say ClickFunnels, so this is the part that's like super important. Let's say ClickFunnels changes something up. Let's say ClickFunnels changes their whole domain name, and we have to change all our affiliate links. If I've gone out through the world putting my affiliate link places, and through the internet world, putting my affiliate link places as the straight affiliate link, and something changes, I then have to go back and find every single one of those links across wherever I put them, on YouTube, on Facebook, and emails, and there's a lot I couldn't retrieve. There'd be a lot that I couldn't find. And so instead of having that problem, what I do, because things do change occasionally, so this is the big upside to making a redirect link. In this case, I'm using PrettyLink as the tool. So I could go in here to edit, and let's say ClickFunnels took made their let's say something about this changed, and I had to change this link. If I went ahead and changed this link, the one at my PrettyLink interface, the one link, if I updated it to a new link, like whatever the new format was, every place that I have put prosperitytrip.com/CF will dynamically, automatically update across time and space. So I just have to update the one redirect link instead of trying to find multiple affiliate links that I've put who the hell knows where. You see what I'm saying? That's the big, 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 big useful reason to use a redirect link. Later, what I was talking about, adding the tracking in, this is like a place where I have a big stumbling block of tracking in general. So in order to not get stuck with it right now, I'm not going to do this part. But going forward, what I can do is update this to a tracking link that then goes to the affiliate link. It's like this layer of confusion that I just don't want to deal with. But I'm not going to save this because it's correct. But you see what I'm saying? If I've put a raw affiliate link out into the world, and something changes, like a domain name or an affiliate platform or whatever it is that might change, or you change your mind about promoting whatever that thing is, all of the links that you've put out as a raw affiliate link would have to be individually updated. This solves that problem. So I hope you understand what I'm saying. It does take a WordPress installation. Sometimes you want to put up a whole site, and sometimes you don't. Like I'm pretty sure there's not a thing on this site, and it's fine. It's there for whenever. Yeah, I have nothing on here. So I just use it for links at this point. Anyway, I hope that helps. If you like tips like this or have questions that I could answer in this format, like a screen casted walkthrough or anything, if you want to know anything about that, how I've done anything in affiliate marketing. I've been doing it a long time. I've been online for a long time. I don't have all the answers, but I can often find them or help you find them or point you in a direction, whatever. Anyway, click the subscribe button below. Add a comment, send over a question. Anything is I totally invite it. And I hope this helps, and have a great day.